For PT, very briefly, if you can identify different types of majority that is enshrined in the provision, just the name of those majority that we have got, the student can work around that, please.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I think, sir, it's a very, very important topic, majorities, because somehow they'll put a statement into the question and they'll expect the student to know that how the process of amendment takes place and what are the different majorities. So I'll say what we have is we have four broad categories of majorities. One is the simple majority, which is also called as the functional majority, which is primarily used for almost daily working of the houses. So whether it is the passing of the bills or passing of various motions, including the no confidence motion, we have the simple majority, which is basically the majority of the members present and voting. So that's the first kind. The second kind is the absolute majority, which basically is the majority of the total number of seats of the house. So for Lok Sabha, it would be 51% of, let's say, the 543. And similarly for the Rajya Sabha, it would be the number. And when it comes to absolute majority, it is not used in a standalone manner as such. So it is always used in conjunction with another kind of a majority. Then we have the third majority, which is the effective majority. Now, if there are no seats present, if there are no particular, let's say, members present in the house and there are vacancies associated, then if we remove the vacancies from the total number of seats, we get the effective majority, and which is used at very few places. For example, the removal of the speaker and the deputy speaker, as well as the chairman and the deputy chairman. So there it is the effective majority which is used. And finally, we come to the special majority, and I think this is the most important majority. But within the special majority also, we have a number of sub cases. For example, what we have is the first majority under special majority, which is 2/3 of the members present and voting. Now, 2/3 of the members present and voting is provided under Article 249 and under Article 312. The second kind of majority is whereby the 2/3 of the members present and voting has to be there, and the situation of absolute majority has to be simultaneously true. So the difference between first kind of special majority and the second is that the first corresponds to 2/3 of members present and voting. Second is 2/3 of members present and voting and the absolute majority. Now, it's relatively difficult to get this number. So that is why substantial issues involving constitutional amendments, involving removal of the judges of Supreme Court or the CAG or the chief election commissioners, that is where this majority is used. And to this, if we add another element whereby the federal provisions are somehow being tinkered with, then we say that after getting the 2/3 of the members present and voting and absolute majority, now you send the proposal to the states also, and at least 50% of the states have to agree to the proposal if there is some change in the federal nature. So that becomes a third kind of a majority under the special majority itself. And I would say the last kind of a majority is whereby you need 2/3 of the total strength of the house, which is used only at one place in the constitution, which is the removal of the president of India. So 4 majorities, special majority, further divided into 4 cases. I think if the students can take care of this, they're good to go.